people on.
Cowboy dance.
What's up, guys? My name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Arctic Vet channel. We've got Dora in the garage and we've got Avi over here in the garage too. And today we're going to be talking about Miss Avi because my plans have changed for how I wanted to do this. I really wish that I could go out and just start working on a build for her, because I need to get the motor built to handle a twin turbo kit. I still want to do that. I found a transmission, but I don't have the money to get it or to even put it in, let alone I'd have to take out my old one and then ship that. So in the meantime, we're not really going to be doing too much to the Corvette. Maybe just some like normal maintenance stuff and pretty simple things. You know, money's pretty tight. You guys know that. You've watched yesterday's video about Dora and Storytelling Sunday this week. And so I'm not going to dig too much into that because we've already covered it. But I wanted you guys to know like the process and how long it's probably going to take me. And honestly, it's going to be a while. I'm gonna put my camera down here, my holster, and my water bottle. Honestly, I really want to get the Corvette ready for next season, next year. I would absolutely love, let me go catch the light real quick. I would love to be able to take the Corvette out on like Rocky Mountain Race Week. Now, I'm not trying to be a top winner there. I just want to go and have some fun, because events like that where you're driving 1,300 plus miles and going to drag strips in your race car or in my case my standard basic Corvette here. But if I could get the motor, the transmission, the twin turbo kit, and then a few other little things here and there, like my headlights, I need to work on them a little bit. My interior, the heater, the AC, my brakes. I want to get new brakes, rotors all the way around. I don't need pads yet, but when I did Miss Dora's and got drilled and slotted rotors for Dora, front and rear, some of you guys might not know that, but we did upgrade her, and I absolutely love how the brakes work on Dora, and I want the same performance on here. And I actually plan to get the same setup, because these are, what are they? I completely forgot the name of them. It's some performance brand. And they're excellent. Is it Power Stop? That might be it. I'm not totally sure. But on Dora, I got performance brakes, and they have a towing package too. But I went and just straight for performance. I know, she's slow, but it looks so cool. And every time that somebody comes up and notices that small detail that's pretty hidden, they're like, whoa, yours is drilled and slotted? I didn't know it was like that. I said, no, I did that. That's a modification that I did to Miss Dora. Absolutely love it. And so does everybody else. And so I kind of want to bring the Corvette up to that standard too. I was really hoping to have matching drilled and slotted rotors on my cars. Don't ask me why. I'm weird. It's okay. That's something cool that I want to do. And the other things are like doing another wrap. I've talked to a few people in person about it, and they seem to be pretty excited about it. And you know, when the time comes, I'll definitely do it. But I got to keep you guys on the hook there for that. And you know, you'll find out eventually. It might be next year, and honestly, I don't know when. I gotta start getting things looking better in life before I can really start dumping money into this. And that's gonna start with my video yesterday about Dora. If I can sell Dora, buy something cheaper, pay that vehicle off quicker, then I can start putting money back into the Corvette. And that will be when the motor gets done, the transmission, the twin turbo kit. Did I tell you the twin turbo kit, I want it to be rear mounted? Like, I want it mounted under here. So we're just gonna get rid of the exhaust, the muffler. And honestly, I don't even know what brand this is, because I could never find it. But it's really strange. So like, there's the muffler, right? And there it goes to the over the back. But look at that, it's weird. I don't know what brand it is. If you guys know, drop it down below, let me know, because everybody asked me, and I'm like, to be honest, I don't know. I just know it has an exhaust because that is not stock. So anyhow, that's the deal with the Corvette. And for now, she's still drivable. I'm pretty positive that it is third gear that's going out, because when I shift from second to third, that's when the RPMs go up and it just sits there and whines, and then it grabs and goes, and you're gone. And I'm not gonna lie, that's an awesome feeling, but it's not good for the transmission. And I'm trying to keep it at least drivable, because I've found out that I can totally drive on the highway in second gear. However, I can't hear, because all I hear is and there's nothing wrong with that. That's okay. You know, every once in a while you just want a nice little cruise. Oh, that is an awesome little... I gotta take a picture of that. That was cool. That reflection right there, the glare. Well, anyhow, guys, that's the story on the Corvette. You already know the story on Dora. If you don't, go check that out. And you should probably watch that one before you've watched this, but we're already halfway through or done with the video, so that's all right. You can go back and check this one out. Check that video out. If you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that thumbs up. If you agree with my plans on the twin turbo kit in the rear, please smash that thumbs up button. Drop some comments down below. Let me know what you think about a realistic timeline for something like this. I'm thinking a year or two. And if you haven't already, please click that red subscribe button. Don't forget to click the bell notification, so that way when I upload videos, you're notified right away. And you don't have to wait for me to share the link, because let's be honest, the other day I forgot to share the link, and not too many people got to see that video. So now they're catching up now that I've shared it, and I really appreciate all can't talk. I really appreciate y'all for stopping by. I hope you have a wonderful day, and we will see you in the next video.